Hey guys, Zexus here, and today in this video we are going to install a script through which we can call illegal airdrops into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. Before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. This is a script which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll be providing the link in the description below. You have to go to releases and click on the 1.0 version and download the source code. After downloading it, you have to extract the file from here and open the file and copy this file from here. And now you have to paste this file into your FiveM resource folder. You just need to go to files, resources and paste it to whatever folder you want. I'll be pasting it over here just like this. After that, rename the file and remove the 1.0 from here just like this. And now open the file, go to images and copy these images from here. Now go to QB and open the QB inventory. Go to HTML, images and paste your images over here just like this. And now you have to open the readme file and copy these items from here and paste it to your item.lua. For that, go to QB, QBCore, shared and item.lua. And I'll be pasting the item's name over here just like this. And now open the config.lua. So this is the config file of the script. You can config the whole script from here. So the required copy is set to 4. I'll be setting it to 0. And you can also config the time of the drop from here. So this is according to the minute. I'll be changing it to 1 minute. And you can also config the plane model, plane pilot model, parachute model and crate model from here. And also you can configure your items for the item drop from here. Now let's start the server. Now I am in my server. Let's spawn the items which are required for the item drop. This is my first item. This is our last item. So these are the items which are required. So let's use one by one. First of all, I'll be using my green phone just like this. And I have to wait for the 1 minute for the drop. So the plane is coming in any minute now. Okay, the pilot is saying keep the eye on the sky. Okay, I think that's the plane. Okay, this is our item. This is our drop. So let's open our drop and see what I've got. Okay, I got an SMG over here. Okay, I can use this item as well. No, currently I don't have any ammo. Okay, let's use our rest of the phone. So again we got notified by the pilot. Okay, this is a phone. The hell? Okay, let's do no clip and see what happened to the plane. I think the plane got despawned. Okay, these are the items which is getting dropped into the location. So okay, these are the rest of the drop. Let's open them. So yes, just like this you can call the illegal drops. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.